Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be doing a huge haul. As in, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga nabili ko from last week or yung iba few weeks ago pa. Tapos, karamihan din dito is yung mga pinadala or binigay sa mga events na inattendan ko last week. That is the reason why I've been missing in action for a few days na. Kita nyo naman dito sa YouTube na wala pa akong upload for 6 days already. And pasensya na because I really had to rest. I went to a lot of events last week. Tapos, nag-vacation din ako. So, yun yung reason kung bakit hindi ako nakaka-upload lately. But I really appreciate all your messages sa Instagram kasi mas active ako doon. So, let's get started with the haul. First, I'll be showing these products kasi ito yung mga pinaka-excited talaga ako. It's Korean beauty, skincare, and K-drama stuff. You know, me, sobrang addict ko sa K-drama. And I wanna thank Ate May Satsuki. It's actually her birthday today. So, happy birthday, Ate May. Don't forget to check out her Facebook, Instagram, and Shopee. Siya yung isa sa mga legit sellers ng Korean products and K-drama stuff, guys. Nagbebenta rin siya ng mga soft toys ata, and CDs, posters, and all. So, sobrang excited ko talaga dito nung sinabi niyang papadalhan niya ako kasi ano yun, wala lang. Sobrang grateful din ako kasi kung hindi dahil sa support nyo, hindi rin naman makikilala tong channel ko. So, thank you din sa inyo. Hindi naman sobrang dami nito, pero sobrang saya ko talaga. I think uunahin ko na lang to. Kasi ito yung point kung bakit gusto ko unahin yung K-beauty stuff at K-drama dahil gusto ko siyang ilagay dito. So, she sent me this poster. Oh my God! Kung alam niyo lang kung gaano ako ka-fan ng Dots, as in, sobrang huge fan ako nito. Talagang inaabangan ko to. So, pinakita ko to agad kasi gusto ko siya isabit dito. Ayan. So, teka lang. Para may background tayo sa videos.
So, ayan guys. Nalagay na. Tabi niba. Hindi kasi ako magaling magpantay ng mga kung ano-ano. Pero yan.
So, dyan lang sila sa background. So, yan. Let's go to some K-beauty stuff na pinadala sa akin. So, ito. Oh my gosh. Goblin fans. I love Goblin. As in, ayan siya. So, pouch. Si Jiyontak at saka si Goblin, of course. O, diba? Ang cute. May Satsuki K-drama fan. First, we have this Style 71 Jewelry Velvet Lipstick. Ang ganda niya kasi may ganyan-ganyan siya. Tapos, this is for 425 pesos. Medyo may kamahalan siya. Pero kasi sobrang ganda ng packaging. And this is in the shade Pale Pink. Ako, hindi pa naman ako nagpipink. Pero ganyan yung itsura niya, guys. Ayan. Ay, ang ganda ng shade. Ganyan siya. Ayan. So, first time ko makita yung brand na to. I think it's because of the design. Kaya siya mahal. Next, we have this Mijon Only One Eye Cream for Face. Actually, nung una, confused ako kung para ba siya sa face or sa eyes. Pero hindi ko pa kasi ito nagagamit or hindi ko pa nare-research. Pero, saka na. Kasi meron nga akong Mijon na ginagamit din na eye cream. So, ito muna. Papakita ko na lang sa inyo. Ang ganda ng packaging. Nakikita nyo ba? So, ayan guys. Ganyan siya. So, nasa tube lang siya na eye cream. So, thank you so much. At least meron na akong backup ng eye cream pagka naubos. Ay, dito ako sobrang excited. Ito din yung pinanghinayangan ko na hindi ko napuntahan when I was in Korea because I was all over the place and really excited. So, bakit ang liwanag? Sobrang excited ako. Hindi tuloy ako napunta sa Karusukil or sa Sinsadong. Alam ko doon to eh. It's the 11 Village Factory Real Fit Lip and Cheek in the shade Peach. So, yan yung itsura niya. Hindi ko pa siya bubuksan kasi ang dami ko pang cheek or lip tint. So, next time na lang. 11 Village Factory din. We have the foot and hand masks. So, yan. Ang gusto ko sa kanila is ang cute ng packaging. First time kong gagamit ng mask para doon. So, yan. Excited ako dito. And then, I think we only have one product left.
Oh my gosh, my heart. First time ko magkaroon ng ganito as in. Sobrang addict ako pero never kong naisipang bumili ng CD. Guys, yung Dots na CD. Pero meron ako ng playlist nila as in. Oh my gosh, grabe. Thank you talaga, Ate May. As in. Nakakaloka. Ito treasure ko to forever. So, pero ayun ako, grabe. Alam ko mahal to eh. Oh my gosh.
Descendants of the Sun Original Soundtrack Volume 1. My heart talaga. Sobrang ganda ng packaging. Oh, ganyan. Pero ayoko siya i-open. Grabe lang dito lahat ng kanta. As in, alam mo, pag pinlay mo yung kanta, maaalala ko talaga yung scene. As in, seryoso talaga ako. Lalo na kung last year yan. Grabe yung memory ko dyan. Daig pa yung pag-memorize ko nung nag-aaral pa ako. Charot. Ayan, so ganyan yung itsura niya. Buksan ko na ba? Sige na nga, buksan na natin.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Grabe. Alam mo, ayoko siyang gamitin. Alam mo, pagka mayroong maganda na product na ano, yung ayaw mo talaga siyang buksan. Gusto mo lang siya i-frame forever and ever. Oh my gosh, this is the best gift ever. Oh my God! Nandito yung mga pictures nila. Oh my... Oh, diba? Sobrang cute. Andun pa yung dots ko na
Gosh, this is such a K-drama photo. I cannot. Teka. Pakita natin yung... Oh my... Sobrang fan ako ng K-drama ng dots as in. Super. Ayan, nabili ko to guys sa Momoso sa mga paulit-ulit nagtatanong. At paulit-ulit ko na din pong sinasagot. Ayan o. Momoso. Nakikita ba? Ayan. Oh my gosh. Wala na. Hindi na ako makakapin. Ayan guys, may CD. Tapos andito yung mga photos nila. Ayan. Thank you so much, Ate May. As in, super duper thank you. Saranghe! And then next are the stuff that I got from Maybelline. So thank you so much Maybelline Philippines for always sending me the new products. Kasi you guys know I'm part of the Maybelline squad. Actually, puro brows and sa eyes to. Kaya yung iba pang giveaway ko sa 10,000 subscribers video ko, which will be out siguro later this week or next week, early next week. So watch out for that guys kasi sobrang, as in major talaga yung giveaway ko doon. So first, they sent this one. Ang cute kasi. Aray ko. Yan. So, meron siyang malaking salamin dyan and just itong mga booklets. Ayan. Dear Rach, thank you so much. We have this favorite ko, yung Fashion Brow Duo Shaper. That's what I'm wearing on my brows right now. Ayan siya, guys. Tapos, we have the Fashion Brow. Ito yung bago ata, or hindi ko alam kung yung packaging lang na bago. Ayan. And then, this one, yung Volumizer. Sobrang ganda nito, guys. As in, try nyo siya. Tapos, itong pomade. Ito, dalawa yung tweezers eh. Yung isa maliit, kaso nasa, makeup kit ko. And then, itong brow powder, tsaka nose contour. Sobrang ganda din ito. So, yan guys, bibigay ko sa inyo to sa 10K subscribers giveaway ko. So, sana ma-watch nyo yun and maantayin nyo yung Q&A video na yun. I think I'll be doing a different or separate video about these brow products. So, let me know in the comment section down below kung gusto ninyo. Pero actually, lahat pa na-try ko and sobrang okay talaga. Next, these are the stuff that I got nung sumali kami sa challenge. So, parang binigay lang nila to sa amin. We have another volumizer product. Yan yung reason kung ba't ko kayo bibigyan nito. Kasi I think meron na ako ng 3 nito. So, ang dami ko ng backup. This is in the shade Soft Brown. Sobrang ganda nito, lalo na kung manipis yung brow hairs ninyo. Pero kung hindi naman, may tendency siya na sobrang kumapal, parang sa akin. Tapos, kung ayaw nyo ng mag-brow pencil, okay na to as in. Ganda. Next, we have another. Sobrang favorite ko to. Isa na naman sa mga pangkilay ko. Actually, Maybelline lang na pangkilay or Etude House. Masaya na ako kasi mura yung product tapos okay yung quality. It's the Sunlit Bronze Expert Wear Eyeshadow. Ano to? Quad ba? 1, 2, 3. Oh, basta yan. So, yan. Excited ako i-try yan kasi wala pa ako niyan. Tapos, meron tayong ulit Fashion Brow. This is in the shade Dark Brown. So, yan. Kaya ako ipamimigay yung mga brow products kasi sobrang dami ko ng backup. And lastly, my favorite makeup remover from Maybelline. This is the Eye Lip Makeup Remover. So, gusto ko to kasi travel-friendly itong maliit. So, yan. Yun lang naman yung laman. From Brow House, they actually did my brows in yung aking lash extensions. Not sure kung nakikita nyo kasi medyo nalagas na siya dahil nga nag-beach ako and matigas ang ulo ko, tinatanggal ko siya kasi ang kati talaga, lalo na ang liit ng mata ko. So, yan guys, sobrang ganda talaga ng products nila and new services nila. I want to thank Miss Monique for inviting me. They're now open at Trinoma, so don't forget to check them out kasi guys, sobrang ganda talaga ng service. Though it's kind of expensive, pero kung gusto nyo talaga ng quality service for the brows and eyelashes, don't forget to visit them. They gave us this pouch. Sobrang ganda oh. Pwede siyang pang-alis talaga. Though I wish it has a handle, pero carry lang. Hawakan mo lang siya ng ganyan. Tapos ang ganda-ganda nung texture niya. Tapos yan, meron siya nung eye nila. Yung aking brow threading, I think it's 600 something. Tapos yung eyelash extensions, kind of expensive, but it's the best eyelash extensions I've ever had. As in, super. Pero yun nga, hindi kasi talaga ako pang extensions dahil madali ako mairita. Pero it's 3,000 something. Pero guys, sobrang ganda talaga. So if you have extra money, do check them out. Pero for me talaga, okay na okay naman siya. Nabawasan ko lang siya ng onte, pero ayun no, diba? Parang nakamascara lang ako. So, one of the best hand creams ever now. I think this is from Japan. It's the U-Skin Moisturizing Daily Cream. Have their Classic Brow LED by Brow House. Yan, this is in the shade Blonde kasi wala na daw sila nung darker shades. So, hindi ko pa siya na-try, but sana mag-work. So, ayan yung itsura niya, guys. Then, what else do we have here? Ito, yung Heavy Duty Byliners, Eyeliner plus Eyeshadow. We have 5 shades. Sobrang daming shades nito. As in, Blush, Burgundy, Amber, Noah Shimmer, Midnight Blue. So, excited akong gamitin ito kasi yung itsura niya. Ayan. So, we'll check these out soon. And then, lastly, we have yung My Amazing Repair and Shine Secret Serum. And then, yeah, parehas pala na serum. So, ayan siya. Maliit lang daw yung kailangan nito na products. Sobrang ganda nito sa hair. Under din kasi yun ang company nila. Kaya kinikaya nila yung products na yun. So, ayan. Thank you so much, Brow House and Miss Monique for having me. Lastly, sa mga padala is from Sample Room. You guys have seen my video and I told you na mag-register kayo dito para makakuha kayo ng free samples ng hair care, skincare, makeup, at kung ano-ano pa. As in, all you need to do is just pay for the shipping. I'll be putting the link here or down below. So, ito yung mga napadala nila recently. We have these Pantene 3-minute conditioner and shampoo. Yung Summer Rescue. Yung sakto for summer. Sobrang ganda nito guys sa hair. As in, sobrang smooth. So, ayan siya. I really love this product kasi hindi ako ma-shampoo. Ito guys, sobrang lambot sa hair. As in, ang bango-bango pa. So, I really love it. Kasi yung una nilang treatment, yung purple tsaka yung pink, sobrang favorite ko yun. As in, ang bango. Tapos ito guys, sakto for summer. So, if you love going to the beach, or kung saan man sa summer, tapos syempre mas nakaka-dry sa hair or nagiging oily, this will really save your hair. So, don't forget to check out Sample Room to get free samples. Lastly, ito, kakapadala lang nila. This is the new one from Bello Baby. It's the talc-free powder. Ay, ang cute naman. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. Pwede din naman siyang gamitin ng adults kahit walang baby. Basta meron siyang puff. Ang hirap buksan. But anyway, ayun yung itsura. So, if you guys have babies or want to try it, ito yung bagong product ni Bello Baby.